Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you legally own the iPhone. Collect the original receipt, serial or IMEI, and any seller communication. These are critical when speaking with Apple. Once done, make sure your government ID is handy and that the name matches the purchase record. If you bought from a reseller, contact them to request transfer documentation. These steps save time and prove legitimacy, which is why Apple requires verification before removing activation lock or assisting with locked devices. Next, contact Apple support directly or schedule an appointment at an Apple store. Do not attempt third-party bypasses. Explain you need help with activation lock and present the serial/IMEI and original receipt when requested. Apple will verify ownership and may assist in removing stolen device protection if you are the rightful owner. Make sure your account details match the documents. Mismatches slow the process. If the device was registered by someone else, Apple will outline necessary next steps rather than disable security without proof. Finally, follow the authorized procedure Apple provides. If verification succeeds, they will guide you through removing activation lock or transferring the device. Make sure to follow their instructions exactly and keep copies of all submitted documents and case numbers. If verification fails, ask for specifics on what's missing and return with additional proof. One key troubleshooting tip: if the Apple representative cannot verify ownership, do not pursue bypass tools, collect more documentation, or contact the seller instead, then retry through official channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.